Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you this unique 5-strand braid. So let's get started. First of all, comb your hair thoroughly so that there are no tangles. And then make a side parting like so and take the hair from the lower portion and pin it at the back like so. Now from the top, take a small section and start twisting it backwards. Add some hair to the section, twist it again, and keep on adding section by section to the main strand and keep on twisting backwards. So that's the look you get. Now I'm gonna stretch the hair from the top. This will make a huge bounce like so. So this looks like a puff. Now I'm gonna pin it at the back with the help of 2 tic-tac pins. Now I'll slide the lower pin closer to the upper ones, and that's it. So that's the look you get on the top. Now we'll start making the braid. So take all your hair and divide it into 5 equal sections. So here we have all the 5 sections here, and now I'm gonna keep aside the rest of the sections and I'm gonna work with the second section and the third section. So we'll make a rope braid of both of these sections. And if you don't know how to make a rope braid, you can check some of my previous videos. I'll put the link in the description bar below. This is how you make a rope braid, and I'm gonna tie it, and I'm gonna make the third section also a rope braid. So finally, this is how all the strands look like. This is the first strand, the second and third are the braids, the fourth and the fifth. Now the first step is take the 5th strand and cross it under the 4th strand. So this is the step we're never going to repeat, and we'll start following a particular pattern, so pay attention. Now take the 2nd strand from the right and cross it over the next, then under the next, and then over the next. So now we'll start moving from the left side. Take the 2nd strand from the left, cross it over the next, under the next, and then over the next. Again, 2nd strand from the right goes over the next, and then under the next, and then over the next. Now 2nd strand from the left goes over the next, under the next, and over the next. So you'll follow a pattern like over, under, over from both the sides. So again, the 2nd strand goes over the next, under the next, and then over the next. You can keep on saying over, under, over while making the braid. This will help you in remembering the next step of the braid. So one more time, I'll show you properly. 2nd goes over the next, under the next, and then over the next. Again, the 2nd goes over the next, under the next, and over the next. So when you reach the end, tie with an elastic and start stretching the sides of the braid with very soft hand. You can see here I'm just stretching the sides, and this will make a huge difference. Trust me, the braid will look better and so beautiful after stretching the sides. So I'm doing this from both the sides. Now I'm gonna remove the previous elastics, and that's it. That's how the braid looks like. You can see here it's a beautiful pattern going on in the middle. It looks like a stacked braid, which looks very pretty. So that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरा नया चैनल जिसका नाम है हेयर स्टाइल डायरीज हिंदी, और मैं आपसे मिलूंगी मेरे अगले वीडियो में। बाय।